Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. And to all you viewers, please remember to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notification on, just hit that little bell if you want to see my upcoming videos. All right, now what I'm doing here, I'm cutting up my chicken breast for my chicken pasta, guys, and I'm gonna be cleaning it up, wash it in some vinegar, and then I'm gonna add my seasonings to it. All right, so I'm gonna be adding my salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, some garlic and herb seasonings, some chili powder. All right. Now I'm adding my fresh herb blended seasonings. This consists of my onions, green onions, thyme, garlic, etc., guys.